All right, so it is here. Other than the lightning talks, what is it? It is this book. So Katie Huff and I wrote a book for O'Reilly called Effective Computation in Physics. It is finally out. So, and what does this book contain, you might ask? Well, the whole idea behind this book was to take people from absolute beginner state to someone who knows just everything about the ecosystem. And in particular, it's a Python-based book. So we really start with how you open a terminal, and we go all the way up through learning Python, how you do things, like in particular, it's physics-based, quote unquote. Blame O'Reilly for the title. To doing analysis and visualization kind of work with NumPy and HDF5 and all that fun stuff. And how you test, how you debug, how you do all those things. And finally, how you use GitHub, how you publish papers, and how even to license the project. So it's very comprehensive. So if you've ever been wanting this kind of book, it now exists. And the only thing that's physicsy about it is the fact that some of the examples stem from a physics background. So you don't need to know physics to actually read this book. Why did we write this book? Here's a confused squid. Just for us, this was a painful experience. That might be an understatement. So I was talking to Wes actually at SciPy one year when he was writing his book. I was like, hey, how's it going? We were in this stairwell down there. And he's like, it's terrible. It's harder than you even think it could possibly be. Never write a book. And that sort of conversation haunted me for the past year after I had stupidly signed a contract. But why we did it was you. So this book is really helpful, right? We have a lot of new people at this conference. We have a lot of new people who we want to bring into the scientific Python ecosystem or scientific computing in general. And it makes it just so much easier if you can point to a document that covers all of this stuff. So yeah, that's why we wrote it. What? Yeah, it's your fault completely. Yeah. Where can you find things out about this book? You can review it or buy it on Amazon or O'Reilly. The website is just physics.codes. We stole that name very early. That's our Twitter handle, and etc. So please do that. And oh, sorry, there was one other slide. We definitely need to acknowledge software carpentry and the hacker within. This work was really heavily inspired by a lot of the software carpentry work and a lot of the work that we did prior to that in software or in the hacker within. And this is us. We will be doing a book signing tomorrow during the break. So if you want a copy and you just want to haggle us, and that's fine too. Come and see us tomorrow. So it's out finally.